Welcome back to homezonline. Today we present a beautiful trending home tour. It is a modern home design with elegant interior and exterior. Let's explore together this beautiful property. Spacious land yard is set very well. It is interlocked with cement blocks with lawn. Firstly, we can see a open style sit-out area, and it designed very nicely. Ceiling work is looking good with wooden material. Moving on, we entering the amazingly designed living room. Indoor plants are placed near to this area. Beautiful caddies are pasted on the wall. There is a stylish furniture has been used here. Elegant ceiling design with light designed here. Here is provided a beautiful courtyard with a wooden swing. It gives soothing view. Next we entering the dining area. A standard size wooden table and chairs have been placed here. Staircase designed uniquely with wooden railings. Here we get a beautiful view from the pool area. Utilizing a stylish hanging bulb for ceiling work. A small indoor yard is set under the staircase. Stylish white color basin is used to design the washing area. Here also provided a common toilet. Now we entering the delightful family living area. It has been brilliantly designed. All settings are pretty appealing. Furniture are arranged neatly. Next we will inspect the kitchen. This kitchen is beautiful and has modern setups. Blue and white color are used together here. Fireplace washing area are arranged neatly. And a breakfast table set up here. ceiling work done simple but elegant with hanging bulb and spotlights. The bedroom will be checked next. It is a first bedroom and it designed pretty as a picture. Wooden wardrobe is set up here. Wash area arranged adjacent to the bathroom. This is the second bedroom. It almost same as the first one. Cot, wardrobes and other decorations are done in wooden material. It also has an adjoining bathroom. Next we going to the first floor. Here we can see a charming upper living area. Interior decorations are mind-blowing. Here we get a prepossessing view from the courtyard. This is the balcony area. It's set up very well with green lawn and it bring amazing feel. This is the first bedroom in first floor. Double cot bed, wardrobe and beautiful curtains are done here. It also has an adjacent bathroom. The second bedroom will be checked next. Cot, wardrobe and curtains are arranged stylishly. An elegant washing area set here. It is a bath-attached bedroom. This is the last and alluring bedroom in this home. It is a nicely made bedroom with all facilities. It also has an attached bathroom. Now we completely check this marvelous home design. If you like this home tour, please share your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.